Hello everyone. Good morning all. So welcome back to my channel. Today we have come again with another SQL question. Let me it is related to replace employee ID with the unique identifier. In SQL so there is a table they have given us is employees table in employee UNI table. So here they have given us the two different tables. In employees table it is ID and name column. In ID column is the primary key for this table, and each row of this table contains the ID and the name of the employee in a company. Now in the employee UNI number, in SQL ID and unique ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. So the unique ID of each user, if a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. So here we have a common column of ID in both the tables, but there are some ID from employee UNI table i- is not present in employees table. So here we need to do the left join between these two table, and we need to show the unique ID from the employee UNI table. And whenever there is no matching ID column in both the table, we need to mention null in unique ID. So let me write the solution for the same. Left join u on e dot id equal to u dot id. Now we have to mention the unique ID, right, from the employee UNI table. So let me write it, and name. So now let me run the query. So our answer is same, right? Our answer is match with the expected answer. Now let me submit the query. Oh, great, it is accepted. So thank you so much, everyone. If you like this video, please press a like button and share and comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be very useful for SQL and data professionals. Thank you.